Yes, I. Greetings in the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie the First. You see, well, enough of them might know already. See, big up all of the subscriber them, all of the new subscriber them, all of the people that we are comment. I respect the input, the comment them. A lot of the comment them give me ideas for new videos and things like that. A lot of the comment them show me mistake and answer a lot of questions, because enough of my video them are questions still. Enough of the answer I know, but I love bring them across as a question. You know, see. Yeah, so most of the items know that I'm on there did spend some time in a GP before. You know, see. It's not a bragging thing, it's not nothing for brag about, because straight suffering. You know, see. Anyway, I'm further going on. You know, see it. First morning, first evening, I'm dropping a GP. We didn't talk about jail yet, you know. First evening, I'm dropping a GP. Seeing from gun court and get transferred to GP. I reach a GP, I reach with a youth named Aya Monk. And them charges Stabby Chris. Two of them, you don't know. You know, for themselves, I go the night. And thing. And believe you me, because you don't know, you got prison for the first time, you don't have nothing. You know, nothing you don't have for yourself. You know, see, people have to give certain things till you get a visit. You know, see, but I feel like I'm gonna give the best of him things, eh? And then you just go in there where you used to good things. When you go in there, you see what are good things. Things were not good. You know, see. Yeah, man, but first night, I'm a general, I'm good to sleep about 1 hour for the whole night. And because of no fear or nothing, because of chink. You see, I'm sure they move me from whisper, I lie down first. And can't go put me somewhere else. Look like me lie down over them hole or something. You see? And then move me and go put me somewhere else. Because, yeah, me don't know, I've never experienced anything like that, my general. And you can't see them. My skin a crawl right here, and I was remember them to be a cold bob. Last year. Yo! John Star. Anyway, the morning still, when morning light out, you know, I link up my brethren. Corey did done a run off a cell. You know, see it. Him and a youth from Barbican named Monkey Man. And next to the youth from over west. Ratty. I think a Ratty nephew, you know. Seeing Laxley nephew, Ratty. Oh, Laxley brother, Ratty them uncle, but him younger than them. Yeah, remember that youth there. Yeah. You know, see it. Lock up with the man, them and thing, and you don't know them and show me the works, and you know, for themselves never so bad with the chink them, because you don't know. Coroner really like them things, so him now. You don't know. Yeah, so yeah, you have some little thing where you can do for prevent them from coming instead. You know, I say like paper out the cell and them thing there. So what them do now is stay behind the cell and go and feed off of probably the flour and the newspaper, and then the newspaper kind of back up enough of them hole and thing like that, so them can't to come mess with you, know? Right now I remember when we had changed our newspaper and you tear off that half of the wall and you see chink behind that. Blood. Aye. Brother, you see. Yeah, anyway. Come on, if I chink them, because I'm going to turn on my spirit. You know. You know, see it? Alright, now. So the next morning, I forgot a coat. See? Go back a coat and thing like that. See? But I don't know the strategy work. Or the thing work, because a prison just come on a different MO. You know, see? So, me and my name Carl. See? Oh, I go out there now and go in at the line and thing, put on the thing them what me have and go in at the line and there and you see, and again them have to call everybody name and put them on the court truck. See? And them call everybody go up on the court truck except me. See? And the water name Karate Georgie. Walkway left me stand up the same way, you know. See? And the wickedest thing I right in front of myself, no, not far from my block. The line did there. See? So the man walk away and I say nothing to me now, nothing. So I figure more or less so well and my court there. See, so me go some boop and walk, go back on my cell. Yo, me and the man I come round about 5-10 minutes after. I call my name, I shout my name. I go some boop and step back out of the cell and say, yeah. See, brother, I said the man can't go out in the yard, you know. The man can't go because him, that's why I'm getting the name Karate George, you know, because I love try some karate style and them things there. The man can't go out in the prison yard and be a karate kick and box and them things that the boy experiment for me with, you know. So the boy knows so I just come to prison and I don't know nothing what go on in a star. And you know the wickedest thing? Every prisoner go about them business, see me like it's just another day. You know, say it can't do with me shame. And then the good thing there, you know. If me did escape or reach out the road same time, would have got hunt that guy there. Would have to hunt him and find him. Have to. You know, see. But when me go to court, when he put me in the check, I'm go to court and come back now, and it's like me not hear nothing like and nothing. Like it's just a normal thing. You know, see it. All in me I say, yo, cause me I look for people that laugh after me and you know me I say, and them look think that, yo, come back now, man, every man good, see every man now man just a regular day, the whole we get that man. I saw the boy they go on, man, the boy they just feel for beat somebody and just come take a man and beat him. So the whole prison know what go on the morning. So basically I set me up to kick my ass. You know see? Because the man just walk away left me, he put everybody in the truck except me as a new prisoner when I know the rule. You know see? See? You don't know, go court and cover. But that again, that's another incident of how water run prison. You know, see, no matter feel like you're bad or you're too bad or your name brand a road. You see, the more brand and the more name where you have a come off of the road with, and the more of a target it is. You know, which part of you get most targeting? Your girl. Excuse my language. Just when she come visit you, you better pray to your mother. I come visit you and your sister them. See? Because any woman that come visit you, no matter how worse, if she, the water that them sharp like nail. You know, hear me I say? Because you're a woman out there all day, stand up out there in the shade and wait for name for call and visiting for start and them thing there. Be a water out there in her ears, you know. Seeing and then probably you forget a pack of cigarette or a money and thing like that can't come in through the visit, you know. Seeing it's a water that shall link up and give that for care come give you. See? So you there in a year still like that and you're black and you see a water carry and a pack of cigarette come give you or a stash of cash and say, yo, cat is a give that, all that. And then gone again and you feel big. Yeah, cat is a bus link and rare. And a water not do certain things unless him have certain reward. Forget. You know, see it. No found in there water you could get like whoa. You know see. Water not tell you no, cause you know lose that. You know see. And she not tell you no, cause she know why you know. And every man girl know. You know see. But just imagine you lock up all in a prison for a year, 6 months, 2 years. See? Just imagine you're a woman locked up in a prison for 6 months, 2 years. See? And you visit a prison. See? And you have to pass certain things here. Make woman water can't go here. And woman water they thick and strong and everything and look good and she in your ears a give you chat and all them things and you know, a flirt with you and them way there. She not be rude, she not be disrespectful. You know see it? And you're dead in a fair place. So basically you gotta just be polite. That's just the natural way for be. You know see it? And a friendship that regardless if an act is the okay that for him get the friendship because watch you know. All when she don't want the friendship, she have to be him friend just to make things flow and to make your life better. You know see, because the first thing she have if she love you, that boy I go in and go beat him to death and you know I'm not give him the thing. You know see, at them sort of meditation there. You know see, you know yourself. Like Uncle Lord that you know you sell you know and you're up on your black or whatever. See? You know who love. Come lock on down at night time or evening time. The gear water them. Yeah. And them can't hide. Cause them not a need for hide. You know see it? And them run the place. You know see it? And nobody feel like say them want lick you like a girl and them want lick you, yeah. Gay water, act like girl and talk like girl, but them beat you like man. You know, see? And you can't diss them and them flirtatious attitude and them thing. Yeah, man. Guy, I lock yourself, man, and I tell you good night. And all them way that you know him gay. And him a look in there gay the eye, the man I tell you good night. Well, him know nothing now come out of it, you know. And I like say you are showing interest in him. Him know that, but him just a do it, rub it in your face, you know, say, yo, him gay, him a lock you up in your cell prisoner tonight and you have to stay there. You know, say, watch this. You can't, and watch a gay man a lock you down and make you know, say, hold your lock. And you can't even chat. You know, say, there's him coming to come box up your face. You know, see it? And you have to just hold that and just know, say, I saw it go. Rush him back now. And see how much lumber chuck tumble down upon you in there, sir. Because it's not about who is gay or who want to be girl or boy or what, you know. It's that all of them are water and a feed them prisoner, them run it. You know, see it? No, that are the authority them now. You know, see it? You sell me a thing there with your man, you sell me a thing there, man, and him got a coat, and him good this morning, and him got a coat and come back, and him just chip. You see, him got a coat with the expectation of getting bail. See? And you there watch on the prepare and you see him come back. You see, there's a certain level of meds and tension where you have to hold run a man, because you know so what your John know. Him come back in and the struggling, he must feel away. You know, see, no man not glad for come back to prison when them got a coat rasta. You know, see, I would rather stay at court than come back to prison. You know, see, another tension that wrong move, wrong thing. You know, see, enough man love use up man thing when them see them going to court, because what them I tell themselves, say, I road them I go, what me I keep them for him for. If me keep them, it's like say me want him come back and me I expect him to come back. You get what I say? In enough case, enough man appreciate and just don't say, you know what, the best thing want for me. You know, see, but in enough case, because I'm cheap already. Yeah. You know, see. Yo, me there JP Rasta. Me there JP one morning star. A man call me and say, yo, come look here. I'm going to sub up and call. You have to have a little mirror where you push your whole big boss. So, see? So you wrap up the mirror upon a old toothpaste tube. The iron one them. Little tiny mirror. See? Little mirror because the tube this it a go. See, and you wrap it up on the other one toothpaste tube and you push it through and you sit and you look on the mirror through the wall. So, and you see what go on up the line or you can turn around and see what go on down the line. See? So, you call that the preppy. We push the preppy through the hole now and stay so watch what go on up the water them office. General, I see an iron fork go to a man back. And the man just stand up so I wait pan. You know, see, because for go to hospital, the amount of protocol where them have to go through for you go to hospital, you know, you're going to stand up there dead. Before, but I feel like, say, no emergency business go on here, so. You know, see it, you better make sure say no something where I got dead from now or today. You know, see it. Because you were there stand up for 2-3 hours before them organize to take you to hospital with a small injury. You know, see it. But I'm there one morning again, star, and I see a man, same thing, same way upon the prepare again. See? I see a man up at the water them station. See it, a bread bag in him hand. See? You know? But when you come down, I don't pay no mind, but I won't start paying because nobody not give the information yet, you know. You have to observe what go on and make sense out of nonsense. See? Go so observe good star and look, my sister blood a drip and all them thing there. See? Rasta? When the man move 2 times and we realize what going on, the whole of the man tripe in the bag, you know. A man cut out him belly and drop out him tripe at ground. See? And I now bag him of it. And stand up there. How long I wait for water to carry him to the hospital. And water go about them business up and down, see him and do them thing. Just another day. You know, see it? Me there again one morning and I see a man come out. See him way, look through the people and look out the star and see a man come out. Him skin just a run off him body. You can see like slow motion, like thick sludge. Just take time and crawl down. I don't know where them get acid from in a GP. Burn him up with acid in him cell, in him bed the morning. You know, see it? Because some man fly up before some man, especially around at the sentence side. You know, see it? So if a man have you up, you just wait till the man and when him fly up before you and just run in on yourself on you. As soon as it, you know? Some man love lie down in themselves and go and kick back liquor when it fly. Because he don't know a sentence man them. Yeah. Yeah, man. You know, see it? See all the batty boy them? Excuse the language. See the gay man them, the one them said gay. You see all them man there? Them man the last. A cutlass, literal cutlass them walk with. Real cutlass. Real machete and fork. How you think Mr. the fork in a man back? How you think that come from? It never illegal. Like them give them it to do gardening around there. Certain prisoner. You know see it, especially the gay prisoner them. You know see it. Them give them it for the gardening and them have them. See this have one down the name Saki Puss. Yeah? Real old. I'm gonna still dead because the man that did for the devil was a boy. You know see it? And the man that now gonna wear him last him walk with every day. And a man a boy them boy that now gonna wear. I last them boy they walk with every day. You know see it? And them a rape him rape other. Cause you want me you know, to be fair. You see the gay section is different from only when you commit certain crime within the prison. See, them carry you go around, they go lock you up. But them lock you up in a cell by yourself. And the cell lock, nobody can come in there, nobody and nobody now, and the batty boy, them now interact. You know see it? And the gay guy, them not really trouble you as such. You know see it? No, I just man I like them and them way. You know see it? Some man, and that's why they put the jail around there so that most man can behave themselves and stop commit certain little things. Keep the prison calm and think. And you're not supposed to want to go around there so. Because nobody now come around and come check you. You run up on your own until you're sentenced. Till the time where you get done until the water and thief come back, come take you out and carry you back around there so dirty and stink. You know see? And the gay guy them will kill you and get away. Majority of them now go nowhere. And watch enough of them never go to prison. Gay. You know see? In them they and bow. Like for instance. See? A man see you talk to a gay man. You bow. See? Your soap drop. And you pick it up. Not knowing as a new prisoner your soap a drop and you know a quick reflex. Boop and grab up that. You bow. See? And your parents, them there, a road, them no hear say your soap drop and you try to grab it up fast. Them no hear say you talk to somebody where you never know say, a boy that. See? Them just hear say you bow. So automatically they are, everybody out the road start think say, you're switch, you're turning gear. You know see it? And you have to hold that. But you can't do. You know see it? And again, so when you bow, you get the same treatment like what gay people get. You know see it, so may as well you go, you know see it. And once you bow, you can't come back. You can't come back. You're gone. Me see water button drop on the section. And him go away. Left it on the section. Where every prisoner fly up and walk up and down. Him go away, left it for a boy on her back. A gay boy and carry him come, pick it up. Carry go dash way. Cause him can't touch that again. If him touch that, all water can bow to, you know. And that me I tell you, prisoner can bow up water too. If water do something broke one of them rule, them bow to. Any one of them rule, a prisoner can't broke water, can't broke it neither. Only when I deal with the gay guy them and when I deal with them a badness straight. Hey boy, go walk up fast. You get what I say? Emphasize, well then, characteristically we are not aligned. You see what I say? Yeah, I'm trying to make sure put that out there. Make it known. You know see? Yeah. Never pick up him on a button where the government give him for work with. And watch ya. No prisoner now pick it up neither. And him can't ask no prisoner for pick up that. Yeah, and the only way that a water will get thumped down and the rest of water them just know say, yeah, you get 2 licks for that, you lock up on a back little, but them nah kill you. Nah, you touch a water like that, you don't know. You're gonna you come out of prison mad. Cause water them, especially when them a drink a girl, they make them friend beat in your head, cause them want mad you. Rasta with the dreadlocks or hairstyle and thing like that where them try bust your head. Water try bust your head so that's the, and when you go around at the doctor now, for the doctor them dress it or the nurse. If the nurse step on duty that 1 day out of the week, then she gonna shave out a size of your head, a side. The size where she, why may I tell you say, you see this, it's enough, natty. You see it reach enough natty, them try bust me that boy lick me in the media so with a bat, it knock me out. You see, just knock me out star, but my head no bust. And now I still have a little cocoa. Years ago. You see, my head never bust. You see it? Yeah, man, you have your natty on your head, man. And them utmost best them try use to bust it. You know see it? Wickeder than that. Me there and catch chicken pox. You know see it? Because me there and see chicken pox coming out of prison, you know, and like I know visit it, come for visit, a stay that come for stay. You know see it? And me watch chicken pox go so up and go down the block and come back up and go upstairs and go down the line and I saw chicken back a wave, you know, me I watch chicken pox, you know, I not catch it, you know. You know see it? Brother, eventually me catch it. Not a long run, because it never come for spare nobody. You see when me catch chicken pox, them now have no calamine lotion in the prison. No in there. It run out. Because again, you see that have to run out because everybody in the prison heal from chicken pox and get better from chicken pox. So, you know see it? Yeah man. No. Calamine lotion, nothing. I can't get no pharma remedy from out the road neither because I quarantine. Them have to carry me, go lock me off in a cell around the sentence part by myself. You know see? And me I live among sentence prisoner then. You know see? And I can't come home, I can't go nowhere because them don't want me to give nobody it. And when you look on spot, all on my tongue, chicken pox there, chicken pox gone down my throat. It's like when chicken pox find me, it find it really hard. Like it I say, hey, prison, we never really want there than you. I hear someone want there. Believe you me, chicken pox everywhere. You ask me which part of me chicken pox never there. Because there's some place where we can't even mention. Yes, Rasta. Prison are nice. You see, prison is not. Jamaican prison is far beyond what prison is meant to be. I mean, a matter of fact, GP was built for slaves. No running water facility and no toilet facility and things like that. You know, see, that one year long time, I'm going to tell you about the toilet business now. You know what I said? Especially when night come, especially on Wednesday, when visiting one in a GP. You know, see, yo, Wednesday, visiting one, you get your rice and peas and your protein food from the road, your fruits, them and them little thing there. Granted by Friday, Saturday, the whole of them they done. You have to good. If you have something like them there, either you sell still on the weekend. You know see? Yeah, brother. When Wednesday night come now, when we touch all certain hours a Wednesday night, man. You know, you sleep, man, and you hear, man, I wake you up, man, wake up. Or you are wake up the rest of the cell. Them know say you have a bike time, riding time. And every man get up and go to the cell little, you know. See? The cell about 4 by 8 or 9. You know see it? So 3 man up on the floor and 3 hammock on top of one another. You know, one over the man them up on the floor, one there over the one there, and one there up in the top of the ceiling. You know see it? So every man have to pull down and go in a one little corner, every man gone in a corner over there. So the furthest corner from the toilet corner. Because you see in a corner there, so now you have a nail in the corner where you go so up and tie up one corner and you sheet pan a nail there. See, you put on your newspaper them underneath it. See, in the corner. And your brown paper as well. Because the brown paper now you want shit pan because it not soak through too easy. You know see it? So you go in the corner there and you go behind the sheet and you put the sheet around you. So and you kneel down. And you know see it? You don't kneel down, you just bend down over your paper like a bush there and just bust your shit and stink up the cell and the rest of prisoner them in there with tissue in them nose. Man stays a light tissue and a bun tissue and them face for the smell the shit. But the whole you know you can imagine what going there, sir. You know see it? And then now when everybody done you have to push it, wrap it up in a bag tight now and every man move from where move gone so you know when you gone look at the door every man move gone up so you know see it. You know see it? I just a book on your show that's right in front of your side door. See? You don't have to leave it on the passage, you can throw it out in the yard and make sure in front of your cell door you're there. It there. You know see it? You see a man in now as man in light and the cell bust. You have to just run out, go grab that and go down the sun, throw it in the big old dirty rubbish heap. You know see it? And while they do that, every man stays up on you. Boom, 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 boom. Every man a bus blank on you run go down the line in your bag of shit. Go that shit away. You know see it? You might see me a laugh and a smile, but I road me there. Some can laugh now. You know see it? But in there, a hell. You know see it? Prison a hell. You see some man glamorize badness and make it look like so well then. None of them never got jail yet. And every big man who got prison can and should tell the youth them say, yo, prison a hell. Prison are nice. You know see it? My youth you have wet dream until your underpants color change. Me never see nothing like that. It's stain and can't come out. Can't come out. You can't carry my underpants to come around and you have to dash them. The spot where wet dream always go on, stain. You can't see it when every man underpants can enough man walk up and down and the underpants in the prison at the time. You see it? I become stain no matter how you watch. No matter how you watch that. When you don't know, if you listen to this far, I like give thanks. Leave a comment. Leave a comment and let me know so you listen to this far. Because the story not done enough. This is a part 1. Yes, Rasta. More bless. Share, like, and subscribe.